Since ancient times, people have used propolis as a natural remedy for illnesses because it acts as a shield against cancer and is a multipurpose natural substance. Propolis is only produced by bees and has several components, including phenolic acids. Vitamins B1, B2, C, and E, as well as a variety of minerals and amino acids, are found in propolis, which possesses antimicrobial characteristics. Propolis is said to have more than 240 different elements. It is the most effective food source for supportive dietary supplements that boost the immune system. The Greeks used propolis for the first time in recorded history. It is a natural antibiotic. The natural antibacterial property of propolis makes it a disease prevention barrier. This nutrient is extremely high in vitamins and minerals and crucial for overall body health. Propolis, the most well-known natural antibiotic in the world, has advantages but also uses that should be taken into account. Because of its impact on the immune system and its usage for therapeutic reasons among all age groups, propolis offers protection against illnesses. What is propolis? Bees produce propolis from the nutrients they get from plants. Bees employ propolis, a material they use for insulation and cleaning inside the hive, as a barrier to defend themselves from dangers from the outside world. Bees also use this material to strengthen and restore their honeycombs. Its hue varies according to the kind of plants the bees collect but is often dark brown. Bees gather coniferous tree buds, leaves, stems, and plant secretions, which they then process to create propolis, a resin-like substance. There is still much to learn about the extraordinary health advantages of propolis, which has been used for centuries to treat infections and prevent and treat diseases. The most popular antibiotic in the world. The most valuable natural antibiotic in the world, this substance is employed by bees as a barrier against bacteria to stop the admission of numerous parasites, germs, and viruses into their hives by regenerating the deformations there and plugging the gaps with its antibacterial property. What are the benefits of propolis? Propolis has antimicrobial properties and is rich in minerals, amino acids, and vitamins B1, B2, C, and E. The most unique food source that nature provides us is propolis, which has a high amount of nutrients. The advantages for human health are virtually unbelievable. Propolis is utilized as both a preventative measure and a therapeutic therapy for various ailments due to its antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory characteristics. Propolis, which bees employ to defend their hives from outside influences, is also a protective shield against numerous diseases and pathogens in frequent usage for human health. Here are the benefits of this amazing protector. The extremely rich substance found in propolis speeds up cell regeneration and makes wound healing easier. Treats mouth sores and herpes. It is used to treat herpes in a variety of locations, particularly the sores on the mouth side. It works well against cancer. Long-term use of propolis reduces the potential risk of developing cancer. This material, which contains a lot of vitamin C, inhibits the growth of cancerous cells. It has excellent effects on the health of the skin because it is an effective antioxidant. It revitalizes and regenerates the skin. It defends the body from germs, infections, and microorganisms. As it rids the beehive of bacteria, it also stops bacteria and microorganisms from growing in the human body, lowering the risk of contracting diseases. It helps boost the immune system. It ensures that the immune system is regular and healthy thanks to its potent content. According to several studies, propolis helps in the recovery of illnesses like the cold and flu. There are a few studies demonstrating that propolis prevents ulcers, ulcerative colitis, stomach and intestinal cancers, as well as other gastrointestinal system disorders, and also aids in the treatment of these diseases. Propolis is effective in hastening the healing of skin burns because it accelerates cell growth. Propolis is recognized to benefit respiratory health when used regularly. In cases of middle ear infections, propolis is employed. It treats mild body burns. It effectively reduces dental cavities. It is possible to treat parasites with propolis. Warts are treated with it. It can be used to treat vaginal inflammations. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.